question is, the biggest question is that you're asking now, is YouTube worth it today? Because it's so saturated. So is it worth it today? I'm gonna tell y'all, my honest opinion is no. Said it. People that go into this, they go into it with the wrong mindset for one. They go into it with the mindset of like fame and looking at the subscriber count, looking at your analytics and all this other stuff. That's the wrong way to look at it, because most people that are gonna start out with this, the subscribers gonna be low for a while. Your viewer count gonna be low. You're probably not gonna have many people clicking on the video. And that's just gonna drive you not to like YouTube anymore. You're not even gonna enjoy it, and then people gonna see it. They definitely gonna see it. They gonna see that you don't enjoy YouTube and enjoy what you do. You have to look at it in a different mindset. Because to be honest with you, the truth is, if you already know, YouTube is not an overnight success. Well, most people, it's not an overnight success for most people. Some people get lucky, and then all of a sudden channel just blow up. But you know what ended up happening with those people that channel blow up like that? They don't last long, because they don't really have what it takes to even keep that many viewers entertained all the time. So if you go into this thing thinking that you're gonna get famous quick and everything like that, you're gonna get disappointed quick. And let's take a step back and let's rethink this. So is it really worth it? I'm gonna tell you, for most people, like I said, no. But for that small percentage of people that come in here that's really genuine and they really want to make content and they really enjoy what they're doing, trying to help somebody other than thinking about the fame of it and think about how many subscribers they can get. They just want to help somebody. That's the people who's it's worth it for. That's the people who's gonna actually make it on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for a while, and I've been through it because I had a video that went viral. And I think it went viral a little too early. I'm not gonna say it went viral, but it was getting a lot of traction. I think it was a little too early for me, because I started looking at that subscriber count. And that right there just started messing me up. So I'm starting looking at the subscriber count, and I'm trying to do the same, trying to make this video, my next video, the same as that one, which it didn't work. It just didn't work, and the success was not there. I just started losing a little interest because I'm trying to chase the numbers, which all I should have been doing was just making content. And if I'm just making content for the fun of it and enjoying it, it's a whole lot better. So if you're really passionate about something and you really enjoy making content and trying to help somebody, YouTube is gonna be a big reward for you. You're gonna see some big things in YouTube, but you have to enjoy it, you know? And that's why I start more enjoying the YouTube part and just making videos and just trying to be there for somebody, basically. Well, some of my best skits was those Ghost energy drink skits. I love making them. I mean, because I started out by because I didn't like the first flavor I had. I just didn't like those, and they were just nasty. So I started roasting Ghosts, basically. Then it came to the point that I got one of these Ghost energy drinks that was good. And then all the other Ghost energy drinks just start tasting a whole lot better. I kind of changed the tone around with Ghost. It was more interesting to me, and I just like them. I just had fun doing those. And those got a lot of views. They got a good amount of views and a good lot of traction. But if I keep those up, man, people gonna love them. So that's the kind of stuff you wanna do. And I noticed that the things that I'm very passionate about, like the things that I enjoy making, that's the things that get the most views. Because people can see that. People can see the difference and the genuineness of you when you're making a YouTube video. So instead of focusing on building a big subscriber count and all these views, just focus on building a community. Building a community, that engagement is like one of the most important things with YouTube now. Subscribers don't matter anymore. It's all about the engagement of that video, how much people enjoy your video, how long they stand on YouTube. That's all YouTube care about. And if you can show YouTube that you can hold these people's attention and have them watching, continuously watching on YouTube, YouTube is gonna push your videos. And also, you got to remember, it's all about consistency. If you wanna post one video a week, be consistent. Pump that one video out a week. If you wanna do two, just be consistent with doing 2 videos, because that's gonna help your channel look legit. If they see that person not investing fully in himself, why would they invest in it? It only makes sense to consistently pump your videos out and make yourself look more professional and like you want to be here, you enjoy it. So I ask the question again: is YouTube worth it? For a small bit of people, yes. If you can focus on what really matters, like just creating and trying to get better at creating a video, yes, it will be worth it for you. You're gonna see massive rewards from it if you do it in the right way. You might not see the fastest growth, but you're gonna see a lot of reward from it. You're gonna see a lot of engagement. You're gonna see a lot of community building opportunities for yourself. Focus on what really matters, not the subscriber counts, not the fame of it. Just try to help somebody out with your videos. That's all you need to do. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Boom.